These workshops are incredibly important because it takes you behind the scenes with our staff and our experts and teaches you what you can do at home and how you can do it well.
Guests will be learning from both myself. I'm the manager of 2 greenhouses here, the Butterfly Conservatory as well as the Flow Shoals, as well as the Director of Horticulture, Charles Hunter. Both of us have a background in tropical maintenance, in interior scaping, as well as living walls and interior horticulture. In our first workshop series, one of the things we're going to discuss is the benefits of gardening. We really want the guests to feel better, and part of it is bringing tropicals and succulents into your home. Not only does it make you feel better, it clears the air and it gives you a benefit to your overall health.
The highlight for this Garden at Home workshop includes pollinator gardens. So many of us have questions about how to support the environment in a sustainable way. Learn how we do it here in the Niagara Parks in all of our different meadow spaces, our butterfly gardens, and even our butterfly conservatory.
In horticulture, spring is our busiest time of month. So here on the parks, that's when most of our gardeners are back, and we're really getting into the kick of the season. It's very important to prepare because you're setting yourself up for those summer months, so June, July, and August. A lot of people now have small properties, they're growing things on decks and balconies, so we're really going to look at the audience as a whole and kind of give them a little bit of what we do here in Niagara Parks to maintain our gardens and keeping them beautiful.
We're going to be looking at preparing our beds and planting bulbs for next year's show. We're going to be looking at also putting our roses to bed and how we do that properly. This is a strategic approach to how we engage with our gardens, how we're prepared for our gardens, and here in the Niagara Parks, what do we do to get ready for our spring?
We encourage guests to sign up for this workshop series. They're going to learn firsthand from experienced gardeners as well as growers in terms of the crops from start to finish. They get to see a bit of the parks and understand some of our go-to plants that we use here that are very successful.
As environmental stewards, the Niagara Parks have become experts in environmental protection. Learn very specifically in this workshop how you can take that expertise home.